What you think?
It's cute.
It's cute, huh? It's like, hey, perfect for like the clients. If you are doing it for your clients, it's great because then the clients will be able to purchase the set from you. No white top coat. I'm using the tip from subscription box this month, aka Mother's Day box. All right, let's see what we're having here, and it's really cool. You can get like a ton of, I really like this one, the smaller. Oh, this one is a good one.
So Alicia, we are working with the press on nail tip set, and this tip are the white color, and then we should put matte top coat on it, so they are fine for fishing.
Yeah, you don't save you so much time from like polishing. This one, I'm gonna use like whimsical flowers from this. See
you
what?
could just leave that big stone right there and call it a day.
That's gonna be a good idea. But what you think? I can do one cute flowers there, like hey, this is cute flower there, and give it like a little, like an orchis. Definitely, it's like and it's really cute and it's simple. You can do however you would like. You can put whimsical there. You can do however you would like, or all of the in the, oh my god, I just feel it in this month. The little cute mix bag, we always make it better and better, and then it's fit all of your demanding and your need. Okay, good. And then I found some little arrows right here from a mix jar of the mix bags. Add it right here. The best thing about condensed glue gel and no white top coat is not going anywhere. It's still like flexible for me to adjusting it until I am absolutely happy with the design stand. I can key it. From then it will set for you. So, but in the meantime, if I'm not keying, you can see that I can adjusting it the way I want. Add this one on. And a couple beads, because then we have a lot of cute flowers already, so I'm going to add some like crystals and a centerpiece on this one. Keep in mind, if you don't want, hello Facebook's fam, YouTube fam, Instagram fam, TikTok fam, thank you so much for tuning in. If I miss any of your comments, please don't kill me. I'm just like really into this one to share with you all cool tip and trick and what can you do with this sub box. Let me see. I'm trying to just find some of like kind of a blue colors, like this one right there, super cute. That's a lot in this kids, in this sub box this month. And each box will release on the 12th of each month until the 11th the following month. So you can have an opportunity to grab the box that you like. And also in this month, there will be a $50 of a Glitz e-gift card, so you can treat yourself for, you know, some more products without breaking your bank. And Glitz want to make sure that we are showing our appreciation for the love and support for every single one of you. Without you, we wouldn't be here. So we are. Such is our passion and motivation to keep moving forwards and always bring nothing but the best of the best to you. So I'm going to make sure that it's going to be in the center of the nails. However, I do a lot of nails, like this one is not in centers, it's being diagnosed on the left or the right, however you would like for your nails or for your clients. This is like really beautiful and like it's so vibrant. So, but you don't have to do this 3 color, you can do any colors you would like. All right, so I'm gonna flash cure this one quick, 30 seconds. The reason it is because I'm gonna do another one. So then when you do all 5 nails, then you can definitely phone cure for 60 seconds on all of them.